Hello, my friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature house. Ta-da!
Oh, wow! Wee!
Oh no! I'm so ugly.
Wow! Hello, kitty face wash.
Wow! Excellent!
So cute.
I like this castle. Lisa, do you sew it?
This is Princess Hello Kitty. We will make a castle for her. Today, I will make a castle for Hello Kitty. I hope you like it.
Whoa!
Make the staircase railing. Draw the railing on the cardboard. Cut along the drawing. Make the stairs. Glue it to the cardboard. Assemble the cardboard pieces into a complete staircase. Make the mattress. Glue and add cotton on top. Cover the cardboard and cotton with fabric. Make the pillow.
The bed is so beautiful.
Oh, wow! Wee!
I like it.
The next day.
Oh no! I'm so ugly. Lisa, can you help me become more beautiful? Wow!
1, 2, 3 pimples.
Ew! Ew! Ouch!
Hello Kitty face wash. Face mask sheet. Waiting time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow! Woo-hoo-hoo! Great!
Wow!
Excellent! Thank you so much, Lisa.
We continue to make castles. Make the bed frame. Add a double bed on the second floor. pink bow. Wonderful! Make the wardrobe. Make the roof. Make the hat. Draw a circle on the foam piece. Cut out the circle. So cute!
Lisa, please choose my outfit.
Okay.
I'm so beautiful.
Make the chair. So beautiful. Make the table.
Wow!
Make the stairs.
Wow, I love this house. Excellent. Whoa!
Wonderful, the house is complete.
This castle. Lisa, can you sell it? This staircase is brilliant. There are also stairs here. The bed is so beautiful. Do you like it, my friend?
La 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 la. Huh?
Oh, what is this? Today, I found this box. Too many cute stickers. This box looks gorgeous.